Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I am finally going to be getting this downstairs in some type of order. The table has just been our catch-all space. I have a box back there. The coffee table is still over there. Yeah, so it's just a hot mess, and I'm honestly tired of looking at it. I've been procrastinating on getting down here to do this, but it needs to be done today. I did shampoo the rugs that are going to be going in here. So they are outside, clean and ready to go. I'm going to be bringing them in once I finish the floor and everything like that. So that is what I'm going to be focusing on today, just getting this downstairs area to look like somebody loves it and someone actually lives here and not a hot disaster. So yeah, for the most part, the sofa sectional is going to stay like this. It needs to be moved over to be centered because where it is now is where we just put it after the movers brought it in. That chair is probably going to stay right there. This is a whole hot mess. We had to get the internet modem put down here. So eventually I'm going to get like something to cover this up, but I do want something that's going to match on this side and on that side. But you know, for the moment, that's just what it's going to be. I'm actually in no rush to like hang curtains, hang pictures or anything like that. We're just enjoying the space, but I do want it to look loved and clean and in order. So yeah, for the most part, all of the installs are done. Our new refrigerator should be arriving sometime this week, and that's the only thing that's left. So yeah, I've been kind of procrastinating on cleaning the floors and stuff like that because workers have been coming in and out with their work boots, and it's just been pointless, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna focus on these floors and this area today. As you guys can see, we do have an open floor plan, which is something very new for us, but we have been enjoying it. I guess without the furniture, it looks smaller than what it looks with the furniture in here. So now that everything is like open floor plan, it needs to look put together, like, because if one thing is out of whack, then to me it just looks in shambles. I did organize the kitchen for the most part of what it's going to be for now. I did not record that because the day that I started it, I just didn't stop. Like, I just kept going. So I literally rolled out of bed and started working on organizing the cabinets, and it took about 6 hours for me to finish unpacking and unboxing everything. And honestly, filming was the last thing that was on my mind. I just kind of wanted to get it done. But yeah, I do want to take care of this, which would be the dining eating area and the living room area today. So that is what we're going to be focusing on. I'm going to stop rambling so that I can get it going. Guys, I love the windows and the natural lighting. Like, yes, give me natural light any day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give it a big thumbs up. I will come back and check in with you guys throughout the process, or I may do a voiceover. I'm not quite sure yet. If you are new here, hello girl, welcome. Love having you. I am Nina. Would love for you to go ahead and subscribe so you can be a part of the squad. And this intro is now over 4 minutes, so let's just get started, guys.
So as I mentioned, the table has been a catch-all space. Just anything we've purchased or keys or whatever we've brought in the house, I have just been putting it on this table, just kind of until I could figure out where everything needed to be put. So we did have to go and buy some face towels. So here I am just kind of taking them apart so that I can get them ready to be thrown into the laundry, because I always wash my towels or any undergarments before we actually use them. It's just kind of a thing. So yeah, I just picked them up from Ross or always TJ Maxx and sometimes Target, because they do have some really good face towels. So that's just what I'm going to be doing, deciding what is trash, what needs to be put away, and where it needs to be put.
I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms.
Girl, we can see the actual table. We are making much progress here. So I'm going to go ahead and move the chairs out of the way, and then I am going to use the broom to sweep up some of the debris. As I mentioned, workers still have been coming in and out of the house, so I do want to make sure that I am sweeping first and then going behind myself using the vacuum before I start using the actual floor cleaner. Me and Portia are going to move the tables out of the way so that I can clean as much of the floor as possible before I bring the rug in.
I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone. I wanna go home some time I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk.
What you need to do? Not bad.
Aw, man.
Meet me at the avenue. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you.
This all the way to the wall. Ready? I wasn't ready. I almost choked myself. You ready?
You want to squish it? You want this? How about I do this? You do the same thing, baby.
I almost died.
That's better.
I almost died. Is that recording? Yeah. I almost died.
You try to take yourself out.
No.
We got one right here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this fine. I can pick this one up. Matter of fact, it can just come in the hallway.
Okay.
Okay. Not by myself? What's wrong with you? Right here. Oh, maybe I should have held the
No, keep it right there.
There we
Keep it
go.
right there.
I got it now.
You always doing something you don't need to be doing. Ready to go?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fine.
All right, guys, so clearly I was not ready for what the sofa had in store. Y'all, I just do not remember it being that heavy. I don't know if it's because in real life, I've never lifted it up like that. So I don't know what I was thinking. Girl, I was trying to take myself out. So yeah, moving on, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the floors like I did previously, making sure everything is nice and clean before I lay the rugs down. I did want to mention to you guys that after like talking to the builder and everything like that, and looking at our paperwork, I know I had mentioned that our floors were hardwood. That was based on previous conversations that we had, but just to clarify, our floors are vinyl, which I am excited about because it's not as much maintenance as actual hardwood floors. I am still able to use the Bruce hardwood and laminate floor cleaner. I can use that on vinyl floors, but I just wanted to mention that to you guys.
The way you used to hold me when the sun and the water sinking down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me when the sun and the water sinking down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over.
This is the finished outcome for today. I am calling it quits. I am going to clean the floors again up here at the front because I didn't get a chance to do that because all of the furniture was spread out. So I am going to go ahead and hit the floors. So yeah, this is just how everything looks. It looks a lot better than what it did. I do not know where my pillows are. They're in the garage still boxed up somewhere, but again, I'm not in a rush to really do anything too crazy. Portia went ahead and set up my little blue table over there, and for now I do like it over there, just to, you know, not make that wall look so empty. And I think I already know which one of my wall hangings I want to go above that table because I think I am gonna go ahead and keep it there. But yeah, this is how everything looks. A lot better again than what it did. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If so, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.